Where's your sister?
She's still at work, I think.
Why are you packing up all your shit? Where the fuck do you think you're going to?
I received the phone call of a lifetime today. A man who goes by the name of Mr. Bernard has requested I arrive in Paris as soon as can be. He's offered me a grand job opportunity. I can be the PA to a top fashion designer. He's going to be the man to make all of my dreams come true.
Mr. Bernard, huh? Where did he appear from? I thought you only had experience to be a teacher. Now you want to work in fashion.
Well, there are many things you don't know about me, Stan. I'm a woman with many years of experience. I'm used to living the high life.
Fucking bullshit, Blanche! All these fantasies are in your little fucking small mind. You need to get back to reality, darling.
Stella, are you there?
Yes, Blanche, what's wrong?
It's Stanley. He's acting hideous again. He's treating me like a child. Please come home soon. I don't think I can stand being in his company for very much longer.
Calm down, Blanche. I'm sure everything's fine. You know what he's like by now. Just keep out of his way. I'm really busy at work at the moment, so I can't really talk to you. Blanche?
Who are you talking to?
Blanche? Hello?
Stella?
Yes, honey? What's happening with you two? What have you said to her?
Oh, she's just making up stories.
Please just be nice to her. You know what she's like. Just try to keep her as calm as possible. I can't have her off on one again. I'll be home soon.
I'll see you soon. Stop with the fucking lies, Blanche. No one wants to hear it.
Stay away from me. Don't come any closer.
I don't want to get close to you anyway.
Just keep your distance.
Maybe we've been a bit too distant.
I'm warning you, Stanley. Don't come closer.
This has been a long-awaited day.